As I scrolled through Instagram, I noticed carousel posts seamlessly blending one photo into the next. Ever wondered how to create those seamless carousel posts on Instagram? Today I'll show you how to do it easily using Canva. Let's get started. Step 1. Decide how many slides you want in your carousel. Because for each slide, we need to multiply the width of an Instagram post, that is 1080 pixels, by the number of slides. For example, I am making a post with 7 slides, so I'll multiply 1080 by 7, giving us 7560 pixels as width. Always remember that the height will remain constant, that is 1080. Now, open the Canva website and click on Custom Size, located in the upper right corner. Fill in the required details. For example, I'll enter 7560 pixels as the width for 7 slides and 1080 pixels as the length. Then, click Create New Design. Step 2. Arrange your photos and add any extra graphics you like. Canva has a lot of cool elements you can use to make your carousel look awesome. Step 3. If you want to differentiate the pages, then you can do it simply by clicking on Files and then clicking View Settings and opting for Add Guides. And then customize it to your required page. Like I changed the column to 7 as I needed 7 pages. Step 4. Once you're happy with your design, download it to your computer. Step 5. Go to a website to split image. I use the website named emoji.app. Upload your design and split it into vertical slides. In my case, it will be 7. Step 6. Download the split images and upload them accordingly to your Instagram carousel. That's it. Now you can upload your seamless carousel to Instagram and impress your followers. Easy, right? Happy posting! If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any doubts or questions. And don't forget to check out my Instagram for the final results. Thanks for watching. Bye!